Today, I am reviewing the RollnJack Hard Top Remover lift for Jeep Wranglers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you own a Jeep Wrangler, there is a very specific kind of dread that sets in when the weather gets perfect but your hardtop is still bolted down. We have all been there, standing in the garage, looking at that massive piece of fiberglass and wondering if our neighbor is home or if our spouse is in a good enough mood to help lift 100 pounds of awkward weight without a fight breaking out. I have tried the DIY pulley systems and the ceiling hoists that make you feel like you are performing a sketchy engineering experiment every time you park, but after living with the RollnJack Hard Top Remover, I can honestly say the game has completely changed. This is not just a tool, it is a massive quality of life upgrade for anyone who actually wants to enjoy the open-air freedom their Jeep was built for, without the logistical nightmare. The first thing that struck me about the RollnJack is how simple the assembly process actually is. Usually, when you buy a heavy-duty lift system, you expect a box filled with 300 tiny bolts and an instruction manual that looks like a legal brief. Instead, this system uses these brilliant quick-turn assembly knobs. It is clear that the designers knew their audience. They understood that we want to spend our time on the trail, not on the garage floor with a socket wrench. I had the entire unit put together in a fraction of the time it took to install my last bumper, and because of those knobs, you can break it down just as fast if you need to transport it or tuck it away during the winter months. Performance is where the RollnJack really earns its keep. If you have ever used a ceiling hoist, you know the anxiety of watching your expensive hardtop dangle by a few straps, swaying in the wind every time you pull the car in. The RollnJack removes that fear entirely because it is a floor-based mechanical system. It is incredibly sturdy and handles the weight of the JK and JL tops with zero flex. The height adjustability is probably its most underrated feature. Whether you are running a stock setup or you have a massive lift with 37-inch tires, this thing can reach. It adjusts from 65 inches all the way up to 86 inches, which covers virtually every configuration out there. The actual removal process is almost suspiciously easy. You simply roll the jack into place behind the Jeep, align the padded posts, and use the handle to lift. There is no straining, no weird angles, and most importantly, zero risk of scratching your paint or cracking the fiberglass because you are in total control the entire time. It turns a stressful two-person job into a relaxed one-person task that takes less than 5 minutes. I have reached a point where I can decide to take the top off on a whim just because the sunset looks nice, whereas before, it had to be a scheduled event. Storage is the other huge win here. One of the biggest complaints with hardtop carriers is that they take up a massive footprint in the garage. With the RollnJack, the design allows you to park the back of your Jeep right under the lift while it is holding the top. It uses the vertical space that is already being wasted, keeping your garage floor clear and your hardtop safe and high off the ground where it won't get bumped or scratched by a lawnmower or a bicycle. It is also worth noting the versatility for those who might be switching vehicles. While it is perfect for the 2007 to present Wranglers, including the 2-door and 4-door models, it also works for the TJ and the new 4-door Bronco with the right accessories. That tells me this is a long-term investment. You aren't just buying a tool for your current Jeep, you are buying a piece of equipment that stays with you. If you are tired of begging for help or risking your back every time the sun comes out, the RollnJack is the definitive solution. It is efficient, it is over-engineered in the best way possible, and it finally makes hardtop ownership as fun as it should be. This is easily the best investment I have made for my Jeep since the day I drove it off the lot.